Hola amigos, we are going to take a walk, and what better way to do it than at nighttime along the canals of Amsterdam during the Festival of Lights. So hali, manglag na puda.
Okay, so Gwen, asa matapayon karon? Where are we going now? Where are we going?
We're going to the error light installation.
Yeah. So we are currently doing the
Amsterdam Light Festival.
Lights Festival route, right? We are going to explore all the art installations they have in the city.
Yes, and this will end on the 21st of January.
And today is what?
The 10th.
The 10th. Oh, okay.
Cha-cha-cha-cha.
Oh my god, it's so beautiful. You know what? We had like a lot of trouble looking for like the first installation. Then I realized like, Gwen, there's like a light going on in here.
But
It's probably it.
you can enjoy the light installations via boat.
Oh yeah. Yeah, genau. Yeah, that would be like a nice option as well, right? So everything, like all the light installations are just on like the canals.
The canals or around the canal. That's it.
This reminds me of the Constellation de Metz festival in France, but this is a little bit more, I would say, modern. Because Amsterdam is a very modern city.
True!
Right?
Whoa!
Oh!
This is the first one for tonight.
Yeah.
Huh?
And we are on to our next. Okay. Oh, there you go. Our next light installation. Yeah. So this is supposed to resemble a mask, right?
The facial recognition software might work.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh my god, yeah. Looks good.
So, is AI objective? For now, that might be an illusion. Char!
Wow.
Char, char, char. Oh no.
That was very deep
Yeah, like for 857.
and very intellectual.
Oh, it's cool, huh?
Oh, yeah, it looks so cool. Okay, so this is Philotaxis. Manta, nawala na ta. Are we lost? But you know what? It's totally fine because like it's when we are lost that we find ourselves, right? You know.
Okay.
And I will not complain getting lost in a beautiful city such as Amsterdam, right? Dutch houses are very quaint and charming. My absence is I'm not seeing anything yet. So this is probably an ambigram. Wait.
I
What's nakasulat diyan?
know.
Dili man.
My absence, maybe your presence is on the other side.
Oh, there it is, your presence. But anyway, we have a hack on how to find all the art installations. Like, what are we going to do, Gwen? We just follow the boat.
Yeah, we're
right?
following the boat, the route. So
I
these are all the art installations.
Yeah.
And now we're on the fifth.
Yeah.
We're looking for the fifth art installation.
So basically, we just let them lead the way. So it's not about working hard, guys. It's working smart.
well, yeah,
right?
true. Because I'm not good with Google Maps. So let's follow.
Are you good in following your heart or following?
Shut up! Ew. I'm good with following the smell of the money. Where's the money?
It's all about the money.
It's all about
the dum dum diddy dum dum.
It's all about the. It's all about the money.
It's all about the dum dum diddy dum dum. I don't think it's funny. I see you fade away.
Okay, lower. So naka na alto.
Lord.
Ako ang soprano. So nag-video na sa.
No, because
I'll
like
be-
we're practicing right now because we are joining the
Open mic.
Open mic
He's
tomorrow.
gonna sing in the open mic.
Yeah, we'll do Savage Garden tomorrow.
He's gonna do. Okay, ready, go.
Go.
I'll be your wish. You'll be the what's the
Baritone or the bass.
The bass.
I really don't know which one is which.
all
Okay.
about the bass.
I'll be your.
Ready, go. I'll be ready.
Wala na, ulo na ko.
I'll be your dream. I'll be your wish.
I'll
I'll
be
be
your
your fantasy. I'll be your hope. I'll be your love.
Be everything that you need.
I love you more with every breath.
Truly, madly, deeply do. I will be strong, I will be faithful, cause I'm counting on a deeper meaning. Huh?
And you
Ibalik
begin
tayo mo. A reason for living.
Yeah. I wanna stand with you on the
Mountain.
mountain. Sakto ba?
Yeah, I wanna bathe.
With
Hello.
with you on the sea. I wanna lay
Live like this forever until the sky falls down on me.
Awit ng tanghalan!
Ooh.
Champion!
And you guys were not even drunk.
no.
No, because the thing is, nobody really knows me here in Amsterdam, so
True.
I can sing and not give. Yeah.
I believe. We're almost there.
Our first artificial human, and there's supposed to be a lot of them. It looks beautiful. We almost missed it. So there's an installation in there. So it's basically just like a loading sign.
Yeah, like it's loading sign. Yeah,
Yeah, you know.
that's correct. Wow, very smart.
Exactly, exactamente.
Oh.
Dankeschön.
Fine. No data and our search history dictates that what we watch, can we ever live without them? Maybe we've created a monster. Escaping now seems impossible.
Oh wow. This is so
Modern life-
creepy, but this is like one of my faves so far.
Yeah.
So the man looks levitating.
Artificial human.
Okay, so
number
this
2.
this is the second artificial human that we found.
This is one of the oldest and shortest canals in the city.
Really?
Yeah.
Wo?
Do you
Like that
see-
one over there?
Yes,
Kana sa tunga?
kana siya tunga.
Ah, okay.
So, yeah. Do you see him? Perhaps he lost something? Char.
Oh. What have you lost?
Dignity. Dignity.
Hindi hiya.
Hindi hiya.
Oh, dignity.
lang.
And and it's okay.
Okay, and that's fine.
Life is too short to care about like what other people think. Yeah, so anyway, last night my camera had its battery depleted, so we weren't able to do a proper outro. And I tried to record a video on my phone, but for some reason I was not able to press on record. Yeah. So when I woke up, I was like, "Where's the outro?" So here's the thing. Like yesterday, we did the Lights Festival of Amsterdam.
Yeah.
And there were some realizations that we.
We're back to this
Yeah, exactly.
Okay, so part two. No. Second take.
So anyway, now when it comes to lights, the what do you call the Festival of Lights in Amsterdam, I would say it's very beautiful.
Yeah, it
Right.
is. It was.
And there were a lot of art installations that we're not able to see, but you know what? It's totally fine. It's not. Wait, what?
Thank you so much.
No, it's okay. So we weren't able to see everything, but it's totally fine, right? Because you always believe if it's not meant for you, it's not meant for you.
I totally agree, 100%.
But did you enjoy the lights?
Of course, I always check out the lights every year.
Mm-hmm.
So I think it's like, as I always say, Amsterdam is really pretty, and
Yeah.
the lights is actually one of the things I always look forward in December.
Yeah.
So it's good to have a friend also
To explore, right?
To experience.
And I'm just happy that it wasn't as cold.
And raining.
Right?
It's
Exactly.
been raining since last week, and it's nice that this week that Alex was here.
Yeah.
The weather was perfect.
And the architecture of Amsterdam is so beautiful. It's very modern, and it's not just like the typical box architecture. They make it so much more extra.
He
right?
said it.
Yeah.
I don't know.
Look, it's like it's normal for you, but for me, I'm like, oh my god, I'm so impressed because most of the time, modern architecture is not really that great. It's all about just like efficiency in making it. But like the buildings here, they make sure that it has design.
He said it.
Yeah. But anyway, I'm so excited to watch the next edition of Festival of Lights.
For sure.
For
so
sure.
definitely, so this will be your last night here.
Yeah.
And I hope you enjoyed your time, and you definitely have a home.
And next time we're hoping that Rhea is coming.
For sure,
Right?
for
Yeah.
sure. We'll try weed this time.
Rhea, make sure you actually like read the
We'll try
terms and
ecstasy.
conditions.
We'll try techno festival. What else? What else should we try?
Everything.
Everything.
Right. Okay, well, salamat sa pagtanaw. And ciao.